Find the slope of the line, then write the equation in point-slope form. And we're given these 2 points, 3, 4 and 6, 10. We first want to find the slope of this line. We have 2 points. So our formula, m, slope, is y2 minus y1 over an x2 minus x1. And so now we can take our points here and plug it into the formula. Let's make this one here our point 1 and point 2. So we have x1, y1 here, and x2, y2 here. It doesn't matter which one you choose as point 1 and point 2. Just keep it consistent. All right, so y2, 10, minus y1, 4, over x2, 6, minus x1, 3. And now we simplify. 10 minus 4 is a 6, and a 6 minus a 3 is a 3. 6 over 3 is a 2. And so I have a slope of 2. So now we have a slope, and we're given 2 points. We can write this in point-slope form. That is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Now, which point do we pick? It really doesn't matter. You can pick the first one or the second one. I'm just going to pick the first one here. All right. So our slope is our m value, and our points we're going to grab are from this first one. So let's go left to right here. Y minus y1. We have a 4 equals our slope 2 times x minus x1, which is 3. And so now we've got our equation on the line. Y minus 4 equals 2 times x minus 3.